Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share a traditional dish which is famous in Kozhikode, Kerala. I'm definitely sure many of you might not have heard about this dish. Yes, I'm going to try Kochi Koya today. Isn't it the name of the dish itself sounds new to you? It's very easy to make and let's get started. These are the ingredients to make Kochi Koya. Kochi Koya has a very unique flavor and you should try this, friends. I have taken thick coconut milk here as well as ginger juice, lemon juice, sugar, jaggery, shallots and banana. The important ingredient to make Kochi Koya is poovan or Palayankodan banana. Here I have boiled 1 cup of milk and chilled it in the refrigerator. Now I'm just going to dry roast the red flattened rice. We have to take the thick red flattened rice here and not the thin one. Saute it slightly until it turns crispy. The flattened rice should be crispy and easily breakable like this. And make sure the flattened rice shouldn't change the color. Now I have taken few shallots in a bowl and going to mash it with hand. Added sugar and mix it with hand. You know, some traditional dishes has to be made in an authentic way. I was skeptical to try this dish when it had shallots, but trust me friends, the shallot gave little crunchiness and different flavor to Kochi Koya. The shallot and the sugar mix is ready now. I have taken banana in this pot. Traditionally they make Kochi Koya in a pot like this. I'm just mashing the bananas with a masher. Mash it slightly and add in the sugar. It will be easy to mash the banana when you add sugar in it. The bananas are mashed nicely now. Add in the jaggery as needed. You can grate some jaggery and add into it. Mash it again nicely. This dish has sugar as well as jaggery in it. The banana, jaggery and the sugar has combined well. Now add in some lemon juice. In goes the ginger juice. I have grinded the ginger with water and strained it. Now add in the shallot and the sugar mix. Mix it nicely until everything combines well. Add in a pinch of salt as well. It's time to add the thick coconut milk now. The coconut milk should be very thick to make this dish. And add in the boiled and chilled milk. Mix it nicely until everything combines well. If you find the Kochi Koya is thick means you can loosen it by adding the chilled milk. That's why I have taken some extra chilled milk. This should be the consistency of Kochi Koya, friends. The delicious Kochi Koya is ready to be served now. I'll show how to have this Kochi Koya. Take the roasted flattened rice on a plate as needed and add in the mashed banana mix. We used to have Kochi Koya for breakfast as well. We can have it as snack. Add in the mashed banana mix as needed. One important thing is that we have to have this Kochi Koya immediately after making it. The banana mix will change color if you keep it for longer time. We have to mix the flattened rice and the banana mix and have it as such. Do try this Kochi Koya and share me the feedback. If you like this recipe, do not forget to subscribe my channel. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.